Hello, my name is Phil Dissacoin, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the guarding block. It's similar to the knife hand guarding block, except we're using closed fists with our hands. So you want to make sure when you're doing this, you want to make nice tight fists like this, knock them over like this. Okay, so I'm going to do this from an L stance, from a back stance. So I'm going to have my front foot facing forward and my back foot's going to be facing to the side. Okay, I'm going to get into a good wedge guard. Get that elbow nice and high, okay, into a wedge guard. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a fist with both my hands, and then I'm going to sweep. The front arm's going to come up front like so, and the back fist is going to turn over against my solar plexus, okay? So I want to make sure, when I do this together, I want to make sure I stop right there. I don't want to do a wild a block. I just want to deflect something that's incoming towards my face. Also, we want to make sure that you're sweeping across your face, okay? If you're blocking down here, that's not going to do you any good, so that if something's coming at your face, like a fist or something like that. So, I'm going to get into a good wedge guard. Okay, I'm going to make a fist with both my hands, and I'm going to come through just like that. Come across, sweep, and stop right there. Okay, so let me show it from a side angle. Get back into an L stance. Start from a wedge guard. Okay, I'm going to make a fist with both my hands, and then I'm going to sweep across. Other fist is going to be like this. So if I need to use that, I can actually throw a punch after I do deflect the incoming fist or something like that. So I start from a wedge guard, make two fists, sweep like so, just like that. One more time. And like that. Okay, I'm going to have Della come in and assist me in demonstrating the guarding block. Okay, she's going to start off by sticking that target right in my face, a little bit closer to Della. Okay, so get into a good wedge guard, okay? Make two fists. Okay, what I want to do is I'm going to just touch and push to start off with. I'm going to clear that target out of the way. Okay, I don't want to really necessarily block with my hand. I want to block with my arm. It's a blocking technique. Okay. And touch and push. And touch and push. Okay, now I want to have her thrust it towards my face. So if I don't block it, it's going to hit me on the face. So really do a good thrust. Okay, so go ahead and pull it back a little bit. Okay, ready? And one, like so. And two. And three. Okay, a little faster. And go. And go. Okay, so you notice how I'm not keeping my arm straight, keeping it slightly bent. I'm striking with my arm. I don't want to try to knock it out of the way with my fist. I want to just block it with my arm. Thank you. Okay, so that is the guarding block. It's a defense against, like, somebody's coming at you and they're throwing a fist at you. And usually when we do this in a pattern, we're actually moving back away from an incoming attack.